What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got episode 4 of this week at NLD. Let's get into it. Right, we've got a very busy week ahead of us. I'm not going to spoil what we've got coming in, but I'll show you what we've got going on now. So in the unit so far, we've got a Subaru Legacy, which is in for a full vehicle wrap. I'm not going to spoil what colour it's going, but there'll be a video out on the channel on that soon. Other than the Subaru Legacy, we've got the SL500 in. So yeah, this is still with us. It's being collected tomorrow by the customer, I believe. If you have a look, so the calipers have been done with, and we've added the Mercedes-Benz logo onto it for the customer. Also the hubcaps, they've been sprayed in the same colour as the car, so they're looking fabulous now. The final thing we just need to do on this is we're wrapping the back pillars here in gloss black PPF. So they've been applied at the moment, so just letting them set for a little bit, then we can cut them as they should be. Also the 350Z was collected earlier by the customer as well, so that's gone out of the unit. But yeah, that's what we've got going on at the moment. This is with us for, this is going to take a lot of the week, so as you can see, it's been fully broken down at the moment, so we can start wrapping this maybe tomorrow. So that's what we've got going on, guys. We'll catch back up with you tomorrow. Thank you. So guys, it's now Tuesday. Let's show you what we've got going on. We'll start off with the SL500, which is behind me. I've showed you this a few times already, but this is now looking absolutely fantastic. This is ready to be collected from the customer now. So as I mentioned, this was in for our level 2 package. Whilst it was with us, it's had its wheels refurbed, the calipers painted, all the windows tinted. As you can see, these pillars here, these have been wrapped in gloss black PPF. So yeah, this has had a lot of work done and it's looking fantastic. Other than the SL, the Legacy, which is in to be wrapped. So Callum's just been going around the car, sanding down some of the areas that need sanding. As you can see, if you look at this, it's nice and smooth now. I'm not going to spoil what colour it's going, as we're going to have a video out on this coming soon. That's it for the Legacy at the moment. The guys are going to be coming later to hopefully start wrapping it, as I mentioned yesterday. There's Toby just making the white label products out, as I mentioned before. Callum's still hungover from the weekend, bless him. And here's the graveyard of Legacy parts that I need to go back on once it's all done. So other than the Legacy, we've got some products going out today, so thank you for everyone who was buying products over the Black Friday weekend. We've had quite a lot of products go out, so yeah, thank you for that. That's the main things we've got going on this morning. So I'll pick back up with you later on. It's now end of Tuesday. We made some good progress today. The guys have started wrapping the Subaru Legacy, as I mentioned, so there's been a couple panels wrapped of that. But again, I'm not going to let you know what colour that's going, because it's for a Pro Detailer, the Pro Detailers and Valitors magazine. So yeah, there's going to be a special coming out on that, as well as our YouTube video as well, which should be out before the middle of December, I believe. I'm not going to show you what's around the corner, as that's the Legacy and I don't want any spoilers. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll pick it back up with you tomorrow morning and let you know what we've got going on. So guys, it's now Wednesday, so let's show you what we've got going on. First up, we have this BMW M4 in from the team over at Approved Performance. Very nice spec, as you can see. So this is just going to have an exterior wash, then we can go give it back to the guys. As I mentioned yesterday, we've got this stunning Porsche Taycan Turbo in. This is actually a new version of it. It's the Cross Turismo, I believe. So if you have a look at the back, it's sort of got a shooting brake kind of style.
Camera.
Oh, that scared me a little. So yeah, this is the Porsche Taycan. I don't believe there's many of these around at the moment. What a stunning car. So this is in for our level 1 package, I believe. So that will get 1 layer of 9H and 1 layer of top coat. This will give the customer a 5 years warranty. But yeah, it's absolutely filthy at the moment, so Toby's going to start on this in a moment. Well, he's going to start on the M4 first, and then he can crack on with the Porsche. They're the main jobs so far. Once I've got an update, I'll get back to you. So it's now the end of Wednesday. We made some very good progress today. Let's show you what we've been doing. So the Taycan Turbo has now been pulled into the bay. Gave it a full decontamination outside the studio, then brought it in, and we've applied the PPF to the front end. So now tomorrow we can go ahead and start coating it. Well, start with the multi-stage paint correction, and then obviously we can coat afterwards. We've made very good progress on the Legacy, but I'm not allowed to show you that one until the video is released. So I'm just going to stay in this bay for now. So a lot of the Legacy has been wrapped, so we're going to be working in late into the night today to get that finished. Well, get that in a position to be finished tomorrow, hopefully, for when the owner comes and collects it. But yeah, if I show you this front end, this is now a PPF on it, so giving that customer the protection on the front bumper. So yeah, as I mentioned, we're going to be working late on the Legacy, so that's the main job for today. I'll catch back up with you tomorrow. So it's now Thursday now. It's a pretty chilly day here, but we're still working as hard as usual. First up, we had the BMW M3 from the team over at Approved. I'll throw some videos on screen now of that. He just took it back down. So if you have a look down there, you can just see the wing of it. But yeah, this is a stunning car. It's the owner of Approved Performances. It's his track car. So he took it out yesterday. Had a good day on the track with that. So he brought it to us just to get it all cleaned up. Other than the other than his M3, we've got the Porsche Panamera in the bay now. So that's getting better now. The PPF's been applied to the front, and we've started the multi-stage paint correction as well. So this should be finished towards the end of today, maybe tomorrow. Other than the Porsche, again, we've still got the Subaru Legacy in, but I'm not allowed to show you that. So I'll keep the camera pointing down towards the floor. We've got another BMW coming up a bit later on. So once that is here, I'll show you that. So guys, I forgot to film an outro on the day, but that's the end of episode 4 this week at NLD. If you need any detailing products, don't forget to head over to the store. But that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.